Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Cured 3-in-1 Wellness Gummies. So as you can see, we have it here on Amazon. So as you can see, it is currently $23, and basically, if you don't know what this is, it is basically a wellness gummy, or a gum, that helps you with your health. So it has Shilajit, sea moss, and ashwagandha. I don't know what that is. So basically it helps with your natural energy and vitality support. So advanced 3-in-1 formula, sea moss, nutrient-rich support, plant-based sugar-free formula, bite-sized daily gummy. So it is supposed to help with your daily health. So as you can see, it helps repair your cellular damage, balances mood and body function, helps accelerate healing, and a lot more. So if you're wondering if this product is legit or not, let's head on over down here to see the reviews. And basically, they're rated 3.8 out of 5 stars with 87 global ratings. Actually, this person said it actually lives up to the hype. It works. Useless. Tastes good. Potent. Not to quit. Excellent service. Great product. Didn't work for me. So basically, this product is a bit of a hit or miss. However, it does work for most people. Basically, just keep in mind that we are all not the same. And maybe it will work for you, and maybe it won't work for you. So before buying this product, I advise you to do some research to see if it actually works for you or not. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.